This is a super common issue that we have patients describing, where you notice there's a lot more staining on your actual teeth. The number one reason for staining is that you're actually wearing the trays while drinking and eating. I always recommend the only thing you're allowed to actually drink with is just plain, boring water. But if you're already in a situation where things are starting to stain, best recommendations moving forward: one, just let us know about it. Sometimes we have people come in for an extra cleaning just to kind of freshen it up. Two, really make sure you go over the tips on how to clean your tray. There's a link also available for you for that, so you can actually get a chance to see if you're doing it right. And also, before putting your trays back in after eating and drinking, I just recommend, if you can get to a brush, do a quick brush to kind of clean things up. If you can't, just swish with some regular water, just kind of move things around, so that way it gives you some time to get to the actual brushing.